Wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here, and we can disappear, and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me.
Alright, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, if you're new, make sure to like this video, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and you can always watch and welcome to myself. So today I might be here just and I'm going to do my hair. Alright. So guys, I'm do my ear. It's all in this thing right here. But Mela did have a makeup. I take it off. My hat so till me I come from Courier, and like honestly my hat just like curfew day, so I know the rush and all of that. Me not dirty the makeup.
And they were out cold. Went outside.
Blood each and my brazier. Oh, right here. Okay, so yeah, but if you my hat, make a beard. Probably gonna see the hair after. But that's just up right now. I'm back home, as in home. My home. Yeah. I was home in Clarendon, that home. Yeah, so yeah. I see the stuff I'm going to do. Nothing outside. I was outside, but they just never in the mood for vlog. And then the ear, me disappointed by the ear. Well, long other story. See you guys in that on another day or some other time further down the vlog. Yeah, so I'm gonna take a shower and come back. So I'm gonna take a shower now. Whatever I do after, I come back and talk to you now, alright? Alright guys, so I'm fresh now, fresh. Feel tired. I'm gonna feel hot and anymore. I'm gonna feel tired, like when I want to go sleep. But I'm really not a day sleeper. I have to be super exhausted to like lay down, and I'd have to be so tired to the fact that I can't even keep up to sleep in the day. One time I could have did it, but not anymore. Anyways, me there eat some leftovers. I'm having some leftover rasta pasta. I did make a video on how to do it, or how I proceed with preparing it. I am going to show you guys, but I'm not sure if it's gonna be before this video or after this video. So I'm showing you look at about 1 week vegan diet. So oh, it's going okay. Yesterday I had some shrimp. Does that count? Did I fail? No, I don't think so. I'm still going good. So I'm showing the leftovers that I'm having. So I'm having, this is the rasta pasta and boiled plantains, and I'm just taking on this challenge, you know, for the try to lose some weight and so forth. So yeah. So guys, remember I said welly power did it for today. That's what I said in the previous clips of this vlog. Chicken here in water vinegar. Over here we have the oxtail. Alright. These are gonna be seasoned. Alright people, so Yep. Welly for chicken this. Yeah, so that's what's up. This nothing in there that's like fat. This some welly for fat. So yeah, sort out this and clean it up and so forth. Babe just cut it up for me, so we'll fine tuning and then season it and season the oxtail. Over here we have sorrel boiling. It's not a whole heap of sorrel, but guess what? It's gonna be nice just the same. I got these sorrel out of my granny garden, so yeah, them are boiled. So I think I need to turn it off now to make it, they call it draw. Yeah. Yep. Okay guys, so right now come and then finger them yellow. My finger them yellow. Look on my finger them yellow. This is from the turmeric. Oh my god. Ugh. Alright, so I have seasons in this right now to be. I have what's this again? Parsley. I have ginger down in it. I have scallion. I have onion. I have thyme. I have a lot of garlic, and I have 2 pepper in it. Yep. So, and oh, I have the what we say this again? Turmeric. Turmeric is inside it as well. So I'll blend this to put on the meat. Yeah, see it go well nice, you know, well nice. And oh, if you don't follow me on IG, you go like see some of the power week of I think we said that before in the vlog here. Did I? They're on a week vegan challenge thing, and when you see me I season meat now, like okay, how you season meat? How you gonna eat meat? I live on a week vegan. It's for not right. It's the meat is not for right now. No time right now. It's just something when I want it to well soak, well soak. That's what I do it from now. So yeah. Alright people, so pimento alone is already on the meat, and over here same thing for the oxtail, pimento alone on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of season them on it. And I don't know, so we don't really these days be using seasons with salt, and that's a result of what the MSG are telling about. So we just at work on that, trying to build with season options. So gonna get this and the paprika. Well guys, boy, if me I did chef, me don't know what I'm gonna do with myself. Like honestly, me just love them things here. Me's not a big chef, boy. So this is how the meat is looking. I'm gonna start rubbing nothing yet. So this is me adding. I did went ahead and add salt, because you know salt still have to go on it to give the food flavor. So yeah. So this is the chicken, and over here is the oxtail. So the green season kind of covered by the powder season, and those powder seasons are none of them that have salt in it. None of them. Not one of them. So it's just the salt that was added. It's the actual salt here. So going the healthy way, and I don't know that the healthy way is better for you, right? And once you say you, we mean your body. Alright people, so I just rub this in. Oh my god guys, when this ready to start out for cook, to do whatever I can do, like this is gonna be so good because the season go well soaky, and I'm a love smell nice easier to you see. I'm not be extra. I just like when season smell nice, and you know chicken with marinades, something like that. Yeah. There's a marinate or marinate? Marinate. Yes, chicken well marinate. So I'm gonna just go and massage the season in the meat, and then let you guys know how it looks after. So guys, so look, I don't know, so when this starts out, you know, this not start out till probably about 6 days from now or less. So I don't know when this ready, like this not start out till 6 days from now people. So when this ready for cook, Listen, this is gonna be so good. Not to mention the oxtail. I just asked Odin if I should put the browning on the oxtail, and him said no. So yeah, listen, this looks really good, and this smells really good. This smells really good, like really good. Look good, smell good, everything. So I'm gonna put up these in a bag and put them in the freezer. Alright guys, this is everything. So the chicken is in this bag, and the oxtail is in this bag, and then I just put some of the chicken in this Ziploc bag for like regular home purpose for us. So this is for us when we want to eat, and this is for the whatever we're going to do that is going to require us to use all of this. Not going to tell you guys, leaving that as a surprise. So yeah, so home purpose and occasion purpose here. And now I'll put these in the fridge. That's if it can work. Right now the fridge is super full. Guys, look how my foot swell up. Like, I don't know if you guys are seeing it in here. Come my fingernail yellow from the turmeric, but look. You see, standing up on my foot too long, you can see the difference. Like this, if foot fat enough, but you can see this one, like oh them part of pulpot and you see? My foot is all like that, like standing up too long. It's the pressure on it, and it's all because 2019. Like if you're a day one subscriber, or if you have been around since then, that's a little bit before I went to Canada. Oh, I sprained my ankle, and since then it has been like this. I went to a doctor one time when I got back to Jamaica. I went to a doctor in the little area here, and I told him about the situation, and the doctor was like, how do I know my ankle is sprained? So I'm like, based on research, based on, you know, you ask somebody, based on person who have experienced it before, and you say to them and then tell them. I mean, you can tell those stuff. The man said, I can't get up and make them the assumptions there. And I don't know. But I mean, yes, you cannot make assumptions like that, but at the end of the day, it's like this man was so, because him still never treat the ankle. So I'm at this point now where every time I go to the doctor, I keep forgetting to tell him about the ankle, because at that time the ankle now give trouble. But like every time now, I cannot stand for too long. I cannot stand for too long. If I'm like standing for too long, I have to bend over, I have to rest my foot, start. And then this weight, I need to get rid of it, man. Honestly, I'm tired. Sorry, look. I finished boil. I'm gonna cover it for jaw. It did be like I said before I did start seasoning the meat and all of that. So I'm gonna leave it for jaw, and it's still hot. So the longer you can, leave it to jaw, is the better for it. So I'm gonna tell a man to sleep out me, you know, I brush my teeth and go to bed. So tomorrow I'm gonna go mix it, and then it wasn't a lot of sour last time. I make it stay longer than usual, so the ginger can really soak in, and then I have wine, and then I'm gonna mix it up, put it in the fridge, and leave it for the occasion that's coming up soon. So I brush my teeth, people. Sleep I kill me. Like me day I'm talking, and like me doing this is just normal. Feel like my eye, like I'm tired. So the ear, you do really and truly, the ear is like Amazon do me, them not do me well at all. The hair is like mixed, people. Like what's like, but it's a quick fix. It's a quick fix. This week is a rush week. Wednesday is Teacher's Day. Then the weekend. So I had to do my hair from this weekend for this week because this week is very rushy and all of that stuff. I'm so tired. I'm gonna brush my teeth, people. Brush my teeth. So I'm gonna end out the vlog here. I probably brush my teeth in the vlog. Should I show you brushing my teeth? I don't think that's necessary. No. I don't know, brush teeth go and all of that. So yeah. If you're new, don't forget to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. When you're sharing the video, make sure to tell a friend to tell another friend about this channel. If you're not always a watch, we're going to pick up on yourself. Down the Instagram, Dominique. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.